Hello, this is Victor from Barber Honda, and today we're going to go over how to pair your phone to a 2020 Honda Accord Sport. First of all, we're going to be on our home screen, and if you're not, you just press the home button. Once you're there, on this page, you click your settings, then connections, then you click on Bluetooth. And right there it says connect new device. So what you're going to do on your phone is open your Bluetooth menu to allow to connect to other devices. Then you click connect new device, and if you haven't done it, so it reminds you to make sure it's discoverable. Then you click OK. Then your phone should show up on the screen. On some phones, if it's not on there, there's going to be a hands-free link. That's the name of the vehicle connection. You would click on that. But up here, I'm going to do it this way. And then a pairing code shows up. And make sure it just matches, and then you just click pair. And to allow contacts, you just click allow on your phone. And some Android phones ask for other permissions. You just click allow on those. And then like we see here, it's audio and your phone, so you can also play music, and you just click save. Once that is done, your phone is connected.